Hello, this is Kim Griffiths English, and for today, the 5th of November, it's Bonfire Night, or Guy Fawkes Night. And first, I'd like you to listen to this little poem or rhyme, which is traditional for today.
Remember, remember the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and blood. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.
Now, let's look at some of the vocabulary. Gunpowder is the very explosive powder or grains, a material which you can blow up things, and they use it in fireworks and they used it in the guns before the modern bullets. So in pirate movies you see lots of gunpowder containers exploding. The next word, treason, that's the name of the crime which is given to trying to hurt or kill the king. And plot is a plan, but usually it has the idea that it has bad intentions. So you're hoping to do something bad if you are plotting something. Now, some more Bonfire Night vocabulary. The bonfire is a fire made of leaves and branches, and often they throw a model, like a big doll of Guy Fawkes onto the bonfire, which is traditional. The firework display these days is usually organized officially by groups of parents or by local organizations where people can watch the fireworks safely. Sparklers, as you can see from the picture, are pieces of wood with special kind of covering which makes them spark when they're on fire. Toffee plays an important part of Bonfire Night for children. We have treacle toffee, bonfire toffee, plot toffee, and it's always very sticky and it keeps your mouth glued together, and we love to eat this. A friend and I were recently commenting that the toffee is a plan from the parents to make us quiet. Toffee apples, which are apples covered with toffee, are also very popular. A different kind of food is Parkin cake, which is traditionally from the north of England, and it has oats and ginger and molasses. And if you Google this, you can find lots of recipes for it. It's very tasty. So enjoy your bonfire night and subscribe for more interesting English.